Let's dive into how to safely remove your press-on nails. First up, soak your nails in warm water mixed with Adhesive hand soap and a splash of oil. It's like a mini spa for your nails and makes peeling off the adhesive a breeze. Just 5 minutes or so should do the trick. Next, with a manicure stick, carefully lift the edge of the nail. Gently work the stick under the nail, rolling the jelly adhesive off bit by bit. If you hit the sticky part, use the stick to roll it away. Got some adhesive leftovers? No worries. Use your manicure stick to roll them right off. Repeat these gentle steps for each nail. It'll take around 1 minute per nail once you get the hang of it. If things are still feeling a bit sticky, don't force it. Patience is key. Give your nails another quick soak. Remember, the stick pad gets stickier as it dries, so keeping it moist is the trick. This method ensures a safe removal that won't damage your natural nails or the press-on nails, meaning you can rock them again. Show your hands some love and take care.